Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be talking about the apprenticeship trainee from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL. They have called for apprenticeship trainee for graduate and diploma candidates. So, see, this is an very big opportunity for those candidates who are seeking job after graduation, after completion of their graduation, who are seeking for job. They can do at least apprenticeship, and they're paying very high salary, that is 25,000 at least, and that is 25,000. And if you see the ISRO and IOCL, BL, so many PSUs are there, they will pay only around from 9,000 to 11,000. Okay. Only HPCL and BPCL, some are there, but only these two companies will provide. I don't say only two, so many are there, but these companies will provide. Corporation limited companies will provide 25,000 salary. So you can apply for this, and at least you will learn something, and there will be a lot of you can learn a lot of things after one this under this 1 year program. Uh, who have done diploma and graduates, they can apply. They should be passed out means in 2019, 2020, 2021 candidates are eligible. And this is divided into category A and category B. First is graduate apprenticeship. Disciplines are given: chemical, civil, electrical, information, computer science students, and mechanical instrumentation students can apply. Number of training places also given, and they will provide 25,000 per month salary. Okay, duration of training will be 1 year, and location of the training, this is Mumbai Refinery. And coming to the next is technician apprenticeship. So disciplines are given in diplomas already who has done the diploma. These for the this is for diploma candidates. Disciplines: chemical, civil, electrical, instrumentation, mechanical. Number of training places are given, and for these candidates, monthly stipend will be given 18,000. For graduate candidate, 25,000. And duration of the training will be only 1 year. After 1 year, you will be removed. Okay. Location of the training will be the same, Mumbai Refinery. So I have already told you the minimum education qualification for graduate apprenticeship and technician, that is diploma apprenticeship. For graduate apprenticeship, the first class engineering degree is required for SC/ST candidates. If 5.3 CGPA is there, this is enough. And for uh, other than SC/ST candidates, 6.3 CGPA is required compulsory. And technician and diploma apprenticeship, first class diploma in engineering is required with above mentioned disciplines, and 60% marks is required for general category. Those general and OBC category, those who belongs to SC/ST PW, 50% marks is enough for those candidates. And age limits are given. Those candidates were born between 1994 to 2003. Those candidates only eligible for this. And reservation of the vacancies, SC/ST OBC reservation, for these candidates reservation will be provided, and duration of the training will be only 1 year. After 1 year, you will be removed, and they will not give a job opportunity in the BPCL. Okay, they have mentioned here. I will tell you. In previous training experience, those candidates already done the apprenticeship from other companies. Okay, those candidates are not eligible to apply. Already directly stated here. Candidates who have already undergone or currently undergoing apprenticeship, those candidates need not to apply. Actually, they are not eligible also. Selection procedure. For selection procedure, they will consider the your degree marks. Based on that, you will be shortlisted for the interview. So in interview, they will ask according means based on your discipline questions. If you are mechanical engineer, so they will ask some about means they will ask some questions related to your subjects. HR, nothing will be there. Just only technical. So only simple interview is there. If you qualify that, you will be selected. After that, after shortlisting interview, if you pass, means you should medical examination there will be there. So you have to undergo that medical examination. After that, you will be appointed as a apprentice trainee. Okay, and procedure for registration and submission of the application. This procedure is for diploma candidates, and this procedure is given. This is for graduate candidates. First, I will tell about graduate candidates. First, what you have to do means we have to register. To go to the MHRD NATS website. After that, you have to register. You have first after registration, you will get enrollment number. That has to be verified. You have to wait some 1 day or 2 day. Okay, within that date, it will verify. After that, you have to log in and go to click on the establishment request menu and find establishment. You can type Bharat Petroleum Corporation directly. You will, if you type this, directly you can apply for this post. And for technical students, you have to go to the website of board and the if you log in, and after that you have to type Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. So by just click on apply, then you will be able to apply only in that particular website. So for graduate candidates and technician, we have to upload your resume. Okay. Mm, don't forget to upload your resume. Okay. After that, this boarding or lodging is given. Boarding and lodging, they clearly stated that they will not provide accommodation. Okay, you have to look into your accommodation is from your side only. Only they will provide monthly stipend 25,000 rupees. You have to accommodation will be your side only. So, and after 1 year also, they will not provide any job opportunity. Then you have to search for the job after 1 year apprenticeship. So you can apply so many companies, because with this BPCL you will be having 1 year experience. This apprenticeship training will be considered for experience also for some companies. So some companies are they are considering this apprenticeship as an experience, 1 year experience. So this will helpful for you also. And important dates are given. Online application date has already started on 9th September, and it will close on 24. Within that date, please request all candidates to apply within this given date. Okay, and after that, nothing is there. Okay, uh, some information is given here. You can look into it. And if you have any query about this apprenticeship training and about interview and all, you can ask in by putting your query in comment section. Okay, thank you.